opening up the new washing machine for the caravan. There he is. Okay, next step, I'm going to take this off, door off, top panel off, and probably this panel in here out too. It's all held in by these things. And there, and there. And on that side, you'll find some up underneath the bench top as well. Okay, that's with the top removed. Just sitting down there. Now we're going to remove the centre panel. This one here. There's these there, and there's also some up from underneath. Okay, can't get the washing machine's angle up straight enough to get it to go down the hole. Going to have to remove this cupboard. Doesn't seem too hard. Some screws around the ends, and hopefully it just drops out of the way. Managed to get it out, but as you can see, 5 screws coming down from the ends between the roof panels into the shelf, so we'll have to repair all of that before we put it back together and remove the screws. Okay, I've dropped the washing machine in. Then we've had to drill 2 holes, one for the water supply and one for the drain. And then also 2 more into the inner panel here. I'll connect the drain into this. And the water supply will be connected into this part. So here's our drain coming from the washing machine through the holes we drilled across here, a right angle down to a T-piece, all just irrigation fittings you can get from Bunnings. And that goes into there, which goes into a drain out underneath. Okay, a few fittings and irrigation hose and some hose clamps. We're plumbed in the washing machine. Okay, now I'm just going to run the washing machine through its cycle. Make sure we have no leaks before we put everything back together. So far, all looks good. Just putting the cabinet back in, so you just put all the screws back in the same place as you took them out when you're taking it down. And simple as that, done. Okay, end result, all finished, all back together. Now have a washing machine.